Hello my dear students, I warmly welcome you to CR's digital classes. In this video, we are going to solve some more questions from the section Algebraic and Geometric Ability. 131st question says, for 0 less than or equal to r less than or equal to 10, if CR is given as 10 CR. So if CR is given as 10 CR, then what is the value of 1C1? So 1C1 plus 2C2 plus 3C3 plus 10C 10. So here the given condition is what? 0 is less than r is less than 10. Now given that CR is given as 10 CR, 10 CR. So we know that n or 1C1 plus 2C2 plus 3C3 plus and so on till n is nothing but n multiplied by 2 to the power of n minus 1. So let us substitute the values here. So 1C1 plus 2C2 plus 3C3 plus and so on. The value of n here is what? 10. So 10C10 is equals to what? In the place of n we have to substitute 10. So 10 multiplied by 2 to the power of 10 minus 1. So 10 multiplied by 2 to the power of 9. So 10 into the value of 2 to the power of 9. 2 raised to the power of 9 is what? 512. So our answer is what? 5120, which is option C. Okay. Now coming to the next question, which is if the matrix given that this particular matrix is a singular matrix. He is saying that this particular matrix is a singular matrix, then we should find the value of x. So in order, if a matrix is a singular matrix, then the det A of that particular matrix should be 0. So let us find the det A of this. Let this matrix be A, then we should find the det A of this value, this matrix. So det A is 7 multiplied by 5 2s are 10 minus of minus 1 into x, which is minus of minus x is plus x. And first of all we have to write plus, then minus, then 1 into 5 4 the 20, 1 into x is x, 20 minus x, plus, then we have to write plus, and here the value of the third term is minus 3, and 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, 1 into 2 is 2, so minus 2. The value of this should be equal to 0. So let us see, 7 10s are 70 plus 7x minus 20 plus x plus or 3, this value is what? Minus 6. So minus 3 into minus 6 will become plus. So minus into minus is plus, 6 3s are 18. So this value is 18. Then this is equal to 0. So 8x, the value of 8x is what? 70 minus 20 is 50. 50 plus 18 is 68, which is minus 68. Then the value of x is what? Minus 68 upon 8. So let us see this. So 4 1s are 4, 4 7s are 28, minus 17 by 2, 4 2s are 8. So our answer is what? Minus 17 by 2. The value of x is minus 17 by 2, which is option B. Now coming to our next question, which is 133rd question. In this question he is saying that if x1 and x2 comma x, where x is greater than x2, are the pair of values that is satisfying for the value of x of the matrix equation, which is equals to 0. So after multiplying all of these matrices, I am getting a 0 matrix. So let us multiply these values. So the first matrix multiplied by second matrix, I am getting what? 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2x plus 15. Then 1 into 3 is 3, x into 5 is 5x plus 1 into 3 is 3, and in the same way 1 into 2 is 2, then x into 1 is plus x, 1 into 2 is plus 2. So this is the matrix. Then I have to multiply this matrix with 1 2x. Now this value is what? 16 plus 2x. This value is what? 5x plus 6. This value is what? 4x plus x. So this matrix should be multiplied with this matrix. So after multiplying, what am I getting? So 16 plus 2x into 1, which is 16 plus 2x into 1 is 16 plus 2x itself, plus 5x plus 6 into 2, which is 10x plus 12 and 4x plus 4 plus x. 4 plus x into x is 4x plus x square. So this matrix is equals to given as what? 0. So let us equate this to 0. So 2x, 10x, 4x, which is 16x x square plus 16x plus 16 plus 12. 16 plus 12 is what? 28. 16 plus 12 is what? 28. So let us check. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 4x. So the value here is 28 is equals to 0. Now I have to find the values of this. So let us solve this quadratic equation. So 28 can be written as 12 2s are 28. So 12 4s are not. So it can be written as 14 2s are 28. So 28 can be written as 14 2s are 28. So this value can be written as x square plus 2x plus 14x plus 28 is equals to 0. So let us take x as common here. So x plus 2 plus, let us take 14 common here, which is, then here also x plus 2 is equals to 0. So I can say that x plus 14 and x plus 2 is equals to 0. Then the value of x is what? Minus 14, and the value of x is minus 2. Where which of these following will be considered as x1 and x2? So here he said that x1 is greater than x2. So which of these values is greater? So I can say that minus 2 is greater than minus 14. So x1, this is x1 and this is x2. So let us find the value of x1 by x2. So x1 is minus 2, x2 is minus 14. So minus and minus gets cancelled. So our answer is what? 1 by 7. So our answer is 1 by 7. Now coming to the next question, which is, so limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 5x by 4x square. So let us substitute the value 0 here. So after substituting value, 1 minus cos 0, 1 minus cos 0, cos 0 is 1. So 1 minus 1 by 4 into 0 is 0. So here we are getting 0 by 0 form. What we have to do now is we have to apply L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule. So after applying the L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to 0, then differentiation of 1 is 0, then minus cos 5x will become what? Sin 5x divided by, then in the denominator 4 2s are 8x. This will become what? 8x. So let us substitute the value 0 here. This also is becoming what? This also is giving a 0 by 0 value. So from this equation also we are applying the L'Hospital rule. So after applying the L'Hospital rule, I am getting the values. Limit x tends to 0, 5 5s are 25, 25 by 8 into cos sin 5x will become what? Cos 5x. So let us substitute the value 0 here. So 25 by 8 multiplied by cos 0. Cos 0 is what? 1. So our answer is what? 25 by 8, which is option D. Okay. Now coming to the next question, which is, if y is equals to root x plus 1 by root x, then what is the value of dy by dx at x is equals to 1? So we should find the value of dy by dx when x is equals to 1. So dy by dx of root x plus 1 by root x, then dy by dx is what? 1 by 2 root x minus 1 divided by 2 root of x cube. Then again applying the dy by dx, we are getting what? 1 by 2x minus 1 by 2x cube. Let us substitute the value. X has 1 here, which is 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 cube. Then 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is what? 0. So our answer is what? 0. Now coming to our next question, which is the 136th question. The equation of line passing through the point 1, 2 and perpendicular to the line x plus y plus 1 is equals to 0. First of all, let us check whether the point 1, 2, the values x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 2 being satisfied in our options. So let us substitute x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 2. the first option, the option A. So the y value is 2. 2 minus 1 plus 1 is equals to 0. So here the value is coming as 2. So 2 is not equals to 0. So the first option is eliminated. Now coming to the second option, which is option B. 2 minus 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. Y value is 2, x value is 1 and minus 1. So here the value of B is 0. So our answer is what? Y minus x minus 1. So let us check the third option also. So y is 2, x is 1 plus 2 is equals to 0. So here this is not equals to 0. The value here is 3. In the same way, the fourth option, 2 minus 1 minus 2. So this value is coming as minus 1. Minus 1 is not equals to 0. There is only one option that is equals to 0 when 1 comma 2 is substituted in the line. So our answer is y minus x plus 1. Now coming to the next question, which is ABCD is a trapezium with AB and CD as its parallel side, and if the diagonals AC and BD intersect at E in the ratio C ratio E is CE ratio EA is given as 3:2. So let us see. So this is a trapezium. This is what? This is a trapezium. And he is telling that CE ratio AE. So let us see. CE. These are the diagonals A, B, C. So let us take this is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Now the diagonals are intersecting at a point E. Now he is telling that CE ratio EA. CE ratio EA is what? This is 3:2. This is what? 3:2. So in trapezium, we know that the diagonals bisect or the diagonals will be in the same ratio. So if this is 3, this also will be 3. If this is 2, this also will be 2. This also will be what? 2. So now let us see. So if both of these sides are 2 and this is also 3, we know that the AB side is also 2 units and CD side is also 3 units. This is also what? 3 units. So they will be maintaining the same ratio, because here this is a smaller triangle and this is a bigger triangle, and AB, the length of AB will be 2 units. If the length of AB is 2 units, then the length of DC will also be 3 units. So the answer is what? 2:3. So AB ratio CD or DC is 2:3. Now coming to the next question, which is the equation of circle with origin as center passing through the vertex of an equilateral triangle whose median is of length 3a. So the given median of a triangle is 3a. So let us draw an equilateral triangle. So this is an equilateral triangle and a circle is passing through these vertices of this triangle. So a circle is passing like this. Okay, a circle is passing like this. Now what we have to find is, we have to find the equation of circle with origin as center. So with origin as center and passing through the vertices. So what in this particular question, he has given the value of median. The length of median is 3a. So the length of median in equilateral triangle, there is a condition that says the medians and altitudes, in equilateral triangle, medians, altitudes and many other lines will be straight line, or angle bisectors. Medians, altitudes and angle bisectors are the same line. So by using this, I can say that a median is nothing but a median will be dividing the line in the ratio what? Median will be dividing the line in the ratio of 2:1. So the total length of this, let us assume this triangle as ABC and AD is the median. The total length of AD is given as 3a. Then the length of, for suppose this is O, the length of AO will be what? 2a, and the length of OD will be what? The length of OD will be what? A. Now here the radius of the circle will be what? The radius of the circle will be AO or BO or CO, which is the radius is always equal. So if we know that radius AO is equals to OB is equals to OC, then 2a. 2a is the radius of this circle. So 2a is the radius of the circle. Now what we have to find? We have to find the equation of line with a radius, with the center of origin. So the equation of that particular line will be x square plus y square is equals to r square, where r is the radius of that particular circle. Now x square is x square plus y square is y square. Radius of this triangle is what? Radius of this triangle is 2a whole square. So the answer is x square plus y square is equals to 4a square. So our option is option C. Okay, you should remember that a median will be dividing the line, dividing this line in 2:1. If this is AO is 2a and OD is a, then we also know that a median is equals to the radius. The median is nothing but 2 by 3 times of the radius. So the value of radius is 2a, and we are substituting this 2a here. Now we are getting x square plus y square are 4a square. Now coming to our next question, which is the 139th question. 3 comma minus 7. Point B is given as minus 2 comma 5, and the point C is given as x comma y. Is a line segment. So C is a point on the line segment AB, way between A and B, such that the length of AC is given as A. So let us write. So this is a line segment AB. This is what? Line segment AB. So A is minus 3 comma 7 and B is minus 2 comma 5. So now here he is saying that the point C is on the line segment somewhere. So first of all, what we should do is we should find the distance of A and B. So let us find the distance of A and B. So the distance of A and B is nothing but x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus. So the x1 value here, and this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. So x2 here is minus 2 minus 3 whole square plus of y2 minus y1 is 5 minus of minus 7 whole square. So under root of minus 5 whole square plus of 5 plus 7 is what? 12 whole square. So after solving this, I am getting the value as under root of 169. The value of 169 under root is 30. So the distance between the points A and B is what? 13 units. So distance here is 13. So in our question, he said that the distance between A and C, the line segment A and C, is 8 units. Then we know that the distance between B and C is what? 5. So after seeing this, I can say that the point C is dividing this particular line segment in the ratio 8:5. 8:5, where m and n, the value of m is 8 and the value of n is 5. So now what we should do is we should substitute this in our intersect form. So which is m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n, comma m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. So the value of m here is what? 8 into the x2 value here is minus 2 plus the value of n here is what? 5. The x1 value is what? 3 divided by 5 plus 3 is what? 13. In the same way, 5 plus 3 is 13. So m is 8, y2 is 5 plus n is 5, y1 is what? Y1 is minus 7. So 8 2 is 16, minus 16 plus 15 divided by 13, comma 5 8 is 40 minus 35 divided by 30. So I am getting the point C as minus 1 by 13, comma 5 by 13. 5 by 13. So this is the value of x, this is the value of y. Now what we should find? We should find the value of minus 3x plus 2y. Minus 3, the value of x is what? Minus 1 by 13 plus 2 into 5 by 13. So 3 by 13 plus 10 by 13, that is equals to 13 by 13. So our answer is what? 1. So our answer is option D. Now coming to our next question, which is the 140th question. If a line makes an unequal intercept x comma y with the sum is equals to 2. So what is the intercept form? The intercept form of a line is x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. So given that a plus b is the sum of the intercepts is given as 12, then I can write the value of b as 12 minus a, 12 minus a, and it is passing through the point 2 comma 4. So let us substitute the point here. 2 comma the value of a is here, and 4 comma the value of b is what? 12 minus a is equals to 1. So 2 into 12 minus a plus 4a is equals to a into 12 minus a. So 12 2s are 24. 24 minus 2a plus 4a is equals to 12a minus a square. So this can be written as a square minus 12. This will become what? 2a, a square plus 2a minus 12a plus 24 is equals to 0. Then a square minus 10a plus 24 is equals to 0. So we have to divide this 24 in such a way that after adding we should get minus 10. So minus 6 minus 4. So let us write this. So a square minus 6a minus 4a is equals to 0. Then let us take a as common. So a minus 6 minus here 24 is equals to 0 plus 24 is equals to 0. So let us take minus 4 as common. Then a minus 6 is equals to 0. So then the value of a minus 6 into a minus 4 is what? 0. So I can say that the value of a is 6 and the value of a is 4. So these are the two values of a. So what I will be doing is I will be substituting this a value here. So if a, the value of a is 4, the value of a is 4, then the value of b is what? Then the value of b is 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. So then the point or the equation of this line is what? X by 4 plus y by 8 is equals to 1. So let us equate them. So LCM of 4 and 8 is 4 and 8. See, 3 8s are 24. Yes, 24. So 24. So x y divided by 24. 4 6 are 24 plus 3 8s are 24 is equals to 1. Then let us take 3 as common here, which is 2x plus y is equals to 24. Then 3 8s are 24. I can write this equation as 2x plus y minus 8 is equals to 0. Now what we have to find? We have to find the perpendicular distance from origin. So the distance is nothing but modulus of c divided by under root of a square plus b square. Okay. Now here the value of c is what? Minus 8 divided by under root of 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1. 4 plus 1 is under root of 5. So our answer is what? Modulus of minus 8 by 5. So after taking the modulus of, we are left with 8 by root 5, which is option C. So our answer is 8 by root 5. So these are the questions that has been asked from your algebraic and geometrical ability. Thank you very much for watching this video and all the best for your upcoming exam.